Hi, it is night time and winter in Ireland, so the lighting in this room in this video is not the best. One very simple tip that I really found value in was opening a mortgage saver account with Bank of Ireland. That's the bank that I bank with personally, and I opened it a long time before I had planned to. Well, it took longer than I expected, but anyway, I recommend opening it about 6 months before you ideally plan to start your mortgage process. So if you already have savings, you could put those savings into this Bank of Ireland mortgage saver account and then start from then on continuing doing your regular savings into this bank account. And the benefit is, when you open that mortgage saver with Bank of Ireland, and if you draw down your mortgage with Bank of Ireland as well, you get €2,000 less dirt back on drawdown. That's a huge benefit. So you get essentially money back. I think it was maybe €1,400, €1,500 that I got back once I drew down my mortgage. And that's a huge help whenever you're just moving into the new house that you've bought. So I got that cash back because of having the mortgage saver account, and then I also got cash back from like the type of mortgage I chose. So I have the screen doing essentially a little advertisement for Bank of Ireland at the minute, but let's go in and break down, and I'll link this Bank of Ireland webpage down in the description as well, so you can read it yourself. But so it says you get 2,000 bonus interest less dirt. So first time buyers can get €2,000 bonus interest less dirt on your savings if you draw down with Bank of Ireland. That's what I just said. There's a variable interest rate, so earn 2% AER variable on regular savings up to 15,000, and then 0.5 on any amount above that or on lump sum lodgements. So there's a 2% AER on savings on up to 15,000, which is good. I think that's possibly higher than a good majority of Irish savings accounts, because I think that's an issue. Like, not many Irish savings accounts have high interest rates. Anyway, it's really quick to apply, it says here, and that is true. I'm pretty sure I just applied online and it gets processed and everything very quickly. You can have a joint or a sole account, so whichever way you're doing it, you can do it and save into that. I highly recommend it because a really important thing when you're applying for your mortgage is showing consistent savings. So if you have that account sitting there and you have the same amount going in on the same day each month, it's a huge benefit. Lump sum payments are available, instant access, and save by direct debit. So yeah, yeah, it has a whole breakdown here, but that's essentially what I wanted to talk about, because I was just trying to think of ideas and things that are of benefit, and I really do think this was a huge asset. It has, like, it's just one consolidated savings account, all specifically for the mortgage. Yeah, and I highly recommend it. So yeah, I link the mortgage saver account. It's just like a website or a web page on the Bank of Ireland website, so take a look at it if you are planning to start your mortgage process soon.